Hi, I'm Poppy and I am Timstar's junior scientist. Hi, I keep hearing about how bad the sugar in our soft drinks is from my family and TV. The government has even introduced a sugar tax on these drinks. With the help of Timstar, I'm going to show you how much sugar is really in these drinks and what we can do with it. In the first video, I'm going to be showing you what happens when you extract the sugar from these cans. The non-diet has 36 grams of sugar and the diet has no sugar. I'm going to put the diet can into a heat-proof beaker. Now I'm going to turn the hot plate on so it can evaporate the water and leave me with the sugar. Now let's try that again with the normal can. As you can see, the dye is reduced to hardly anything, and this is just the residue that's left. However, look at this one. This is all just the sugar that is remaining. It looks like a gluey texture. No wonder they tell you that these drinks are bad for you. I think I'll just stick to water from now on. Join me next time and we'll find out if sugar can produce energy. Thanks for watching. Bye! Watch out for more of my videos on Timstar's Junior Scientist page. While you're there, why not take a look at the Timstar Knowledge Hub where you can see experiments from Franz Scott to Stephen Gates.